Premier Surface installation training video. When installing Premier Surface, you will require the tools and accessories shown on the screen. For safety, please only use equipment you have been trained to use. It is best to climatise the mats by keeping them in a warm room or under a heat source. This helps to make the tiles more flexible. Now, with a tape measure, mark the centre of the door frame to ensure the mat is laid in the central position. In this instance, the area is going to be covered 5 tiles wide by 6 tiles deep. Therefore, it is best to cut off the female lugs that will be on the left-hand edge of the mat. Now, using the rubber mallet, tap in the rest of the tiles. When you finish tapping in the tiles, cut the edge as we are doing here, as it will best fit the corner pieces in this way. Now measure in 60mm as the corner pieces requires this space. Once both sides of the corner are measured in by 60mm, the aluminium bottom profiles can be measured more accurately. Having marked the aluminium bottom profile, this is now ready for cutting with the appropriate tools. Now that the aluminium bottom profiles are cut, you can plot out your drill points. Remember to plot the holes 60mm in front of the aluminium edges to make the edging firm. After that, aim to keep 300mm or less gap between the drill points. When drilling, use a 6mm diameter masonry drill. The PVC corner piece will need to be screwed down, so it's important to drill the holes for them too. Now clean the surface area and hammer in the 6mm raw plugs so that the screws can grip onto the floor when screwed in. Using 5mm diameter flange head screws, fix in the aluminium bottom profile. Once this is down, the PVC corner can then be fitted into place. Measure the distance between the two corners. After measuring and marking the required length on the PVC edging, use an appropriate cutting tool to cut it to size. Using the rubber mallet, fix down the PVC edging starting from the centre and working your way out, ensuring it is flush with the floor. That's how easy it is to install Premier Surface entrance matting. Premier Surface, no mat well, no problem.